you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Start.
Mm-hmm.
Ready, start.
Okay. Today I will discuss facts about hurricanes. I will discuss causes, occurrences, myths, and ways to prepare yourself in case a hurricane hits your area. Have you ever been in a hurricane or known someone who has? Hurricanes can cause millions of dollars worth of damage and take many lives. Point 1. What causes a hurricane? Hurricanes are products of tropical ocean and atmosphere. Powered by heat from the sea, they are steered by easterly winds and temperate winds and their own energy. On average, 10 tropical storms per year form over the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Of these 6 storms, 2 will strengthen enough to become a major hurricane. Out of every 5 hurricanes, 2 will be considered major. Hurricanes are measured by the Saffir-Simpson scale, and anything category 3 or above is considered a major hurricane as long as the winds stay above 111 miles per hour. Hurricanes can happen at any time. Hurricanes are not limited to the coastline areas and can extend hundreds of miles inland under the right conditions. In 2001, heavy rains from Tropical Storm Allison caused flooding in Houston, Texas. FEMA estimated damage in the Houston area of approximately $48 billion. On August 28, 2005, Hurricane Katrina struck the Gulf Coast of the United States and caused more than $81 billion worth of damages and killed more than 1,800 people. Torrential rains caused by the hurricane reached New Orleans levees, and many people were unwilling or unable to evacuate. Tens of thousands of people were stranded on rooftops and buildings as the flooding poured in, and hundreds of thousands had to retreat to shelters in the city. Hurricane Katrina has been called the greatest disaster in our nation's history. Next, I will discuss myths about hurricanes. Some people say if you put tape on your windows, they will not break. This is not true. Storm shutters are the best way to protect your windows against breakage. Open your windows to let air pressure out so your house will not explode. This also is not true. The best thing to do is close your windows tight to keep the air out, as heavy winds can cause more damage inside your home. The higher you are, the better you are. It is not better to be in a higher place during a hurricane. As wind speed increases, the more dangerous higher places become. Being in a higher place can also make it more difficult to be rescued. It will never happen here. Hurricanes can come hundreds of miles inland and cause great damage from strong winds, heavy rains, tornadoes, and excessive flooding. Finally, we will discuss ways to prepare yourself in case of a hurricane. Step 1. Secure your windows. Do not use tape. Tape will not help your windows from breaking. They will shatter anyway. Number 2. If you can, install straps around your roof that connect to the frame of your house to prevent further roof damage. Trim your trees and shrubs, and this will ensure that your trees do not fall in on your roof and cause more damage. Evacuate quickly if you are asked. Listen to the radio and television to get information about how big the storm is and when it's going to hit your area. If you live in a mobile home, get out quickly. A mobile home is never safe in a storm. Keep bottled water, flashlights, and first aid kits handy in case the power goes out and you can't be rescued for a long time. If you need more information, you can go to www.nhc.gov/hurricanes, and it will tell you what storms are developing, how big they are, and when they'll be in your area. You can also go to www.fema.gov if you need help or if your house has been destroyed and you need food. I have discussed the causes, occurrences, myths, and ways to protect and prepare yourself and your home in the event of a hurricane. Hopefully, you are more informed about the dangers of hurricanes and will be better prepared in case one happens in your area in the future. Thank you.
That's it. 4 minutes and 27 seconds.